All right, thanks for joining us, everybody. I'm Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub here, live streaming from West Coast Sports Cards in Federal Way, Washington, here on Breakers TV. And got some single box breaks that we're working on here. We've also got some group breaks that we're working on filling up here shortly. I'm going to be cracking a box of 2013 Topps Platinum Football. And we are hoping to pull a nice low number Le'Veon Bell, or a DeAndre Hopkins, Eddie Lacy, somebody good out of this one. We've cracked a few of these here just recently, and I guess I would probably call it underwhelmed by our selection, or by our results. So what you get is you get one autograph patch and 2 rookie on-card autographs. So you get 3 hits per. You get a fair amount of packs in it. 5 cards per pack, 20 packs per box. So we're just gonna get cracking on this. And we opened 2 boxes of this just recently, and we didn't even get a Le'Veon Bell base rookie card. We got a couple of Eddie Lacy's, but no Le'Veon Bell base even. But we've got plenty of breaks coming up if anybody's interested. And here's a Lamar Miller camo.
Yeah, Lamar Miller's not a bad open either.
Yeah, Lamar Miller. That's right. He's a rookie in 13 as well.
Starting running back
for the Texans.
The Texans. You know, Aaron Foster hasn't signed with anyone.
No, he hasn't, and he probably won't until the last minute because he's probably asking too much.
Yeah. Seahawks offered him a minimum contract.
Here's a really thin Tom Brady card. So I got 2 Tom Bradys. I got the parallel in the same pack.
The Tom Brady box.
Well, hopefully that means that we've got a good couple of autos in here. If it's got Tom Brady's in it, hopefully the luck wears off, or rubs off, not wears off. Zach Line, Peyton Manning parallel. Not sure if they have hot boxes for platinum. Here we go. Here's our first one. Patch auto Gavin Escobar, numbered out of 1,000. Ugh. 446 of 1,000. It's a nice patch. Check out that patch. Look at that patch. That's a killer patch.
Out of 1,000.
But out of 1,000, what are you thinking, Topps? What are you thinking? Ugh.
It's not so platinum. More like copper.
That is disgusting. And here's our next auto. Wow, back-to-back packs. Arthur Brown auto on card. Ravens. Not numbered. I got a feeling this is going to be an ugly result. Gavin Escobar of 1,000. Oh, man. That makes my Marcus Wheaton just look that much better. Oh, God, it's sick to my stomach now. I mean, nice patch and a stupid high number. Keenan Allen, parallel rookie. Oh, yeah, that's not cool. Mike Glennon. That's right, Glennon's in that class too. I wouldn't mind seeing him end up somewhere else, because obviously he's never going to do anything with the Bucs now that they got Winston, unless Winston gets hurt significantly.
It's the NFL, man. You never know.
True. I don't know. Don't see it being a positive for him. Oops. Not digging this pack or this box so far. Save the day with a nice low number auto of a solid player.
Oh, is there one more auto hit in there?
Yeah, you get 2 autos and 1 patch auto. There's the Mike Gillislee again. Thankfully, it's not the auto. I've pulled the auto Mike Gillislee out of 10, and I've pulled the base Mike Gillislee, just the base card, and then I've pulled like 2 of the parallels now. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Who do we got? Theo Riddick. On-card auto rookie. Not numbered, though. That's a nice auto that he's got. So Theo Riddick, who is, you know, oft injured in their stable of running backs that they mow through down in, or over in Detroit. Zach Ertz, Randall Cobb, parallel. So, looks like a, not a pretty box of platinum. Still have not pulled a Le'Veon Bell rookie. No Le'Veon Bell.
I did not tell County to leave, but did you still get anything still?
Oh, here's an Eddie Lacy parallel, but it's not numbered. So that was a box of 13 platinum football.